So
Okay. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let me show you how we made 1,600 bucks today. Let me show you, right? I did it live with my VIP trade room, right? So listen, if you want to take trades with me every single day, go to my website at tradewithbruce.com. Right here, just went on the screen. Tradewithbruce.com, right? Go to the website, purchase the VIP trade room. It's a low monthly fee. I'll give you access to the Telegram channel and show you exactly when I'm taking trades, when I'm looking to get in a trade, when I'm looking to enter a trade, all this stuff. My analysis. I just sent the video to my team 2 seconds ago explaining this zone and why price went down from there, right? So get the VIP trade room at tradewithbruce.com. Let's get it. If you want to trade with me every single day, I'm 30-3, my last 33 trades, y'all. You hear that? I'm 30-3, my last 33 trades. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. Do you hear me? Everybody that be on my stream, y'all know what's up. We got the juice on deck. You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit left, but I'll be drinking it. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that be on the streams, y'all know I go live on YouTube now, so go check out the past live streams. I'm giving out free strategies on those videos, right? Subscribe to the channel. Let's get it. I'm going to be doing live streams and all that stuff, okay? All right, let's get it. So let's break down the trade, how I made 1,600 bucks today, just an hour or two ago. We just got out of profit right here, right? So let's break it down, man. Let's talk about it. All right, so let's go to like the 15-minute chart. Let's start on the 15-minute chart, right? Click auto, right? So those who don't know, this is TradingView. I've been liking TradingView a lot lately. I don't really like looking at MT4 charts anymore. You know, these are regulated brokers and stuff, so I'll use their price. You know, MT4, unregulated brokers price might be a little, so I use TradingView's price, and then I enter on my MT4. You get it? All right, cool. So let's open it up. So cool. So this is a beautiful trade we call Friday, right? Order block, lower time frame entry, and then price shot up till I take profit. I took like 15 pips. It went up way higher. Every time it always does that. So I don't care. I made 1,500 bucks. I don't care. I'm not trying to chase every pip in the world. I'm just trying to make nice money and, you know, live my life. Right? So boom, nice order block sell right here. I didn't take this. I was just practicing looking at the price. Right? So boom, I woke up here at like 5 in the morning. I woke up at like 4:50, snooze to like 5:10 a.m. Eastern time, right? And then hold on, make sure y'all can hear me. Y'all can hear me, right? Yeah. Let me see. Yo, there we go. So it was muted. All right, cool. Here we go. So boom, here we go. So what I was saying was, so when I woke up at like 4 or 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. Eastern, I woke up to price right here. Price was shooting down, coming down right here. Price was actually on this wick right here. Price was on this green wick, and it was coming up, right? So I saw this order block. So I marked off this order block, this red candle right here, go all the way across. That's why I like trading, but you can do one chart and it's going to show on both charts. I love that crap. So boom, here we go. We got our 15-minute chart order block. Let's go to the 30-minute chart, make sure it's the same thing. So that's where I have my arrow at. You see this blue arrow? See this blue arrow right here on my cursor right here? So let me just delete it and put a new one. So if you delete this arrow, I put an arrow at the top of this candle. So at the top of this wick right here, go all the way across, make sure it's straight. Boom. So that's the top of my candle. That's the top of my order block for visuals. That's the 30-minute block. It's going to be the same thing on the 15, a little defined. So now we can go smaller to the body or just keep it on the 30 minutes. So I just keep it on the 30-minute block. I have my arrow right here to see the start of it. So boom, immediately this shit came down. I'm like, sheesh. So I'm watching it here, but usually I go down to the lower time frame, right? So I go down to the 5, So I first see rejection, right? So now I'm marking up my 5-minute levels, right? So price, I wake up, price already did this rejection. I'm like, okay, is that a rejection off the block before it just shoots up? Right? So the next thing that's going to keep us down is this order block. So if you put an arrow at the tip of these, to body of these candles right here, right? Arrow there and put a little box right there. Go all the way across. You know, all those wicks right there. So that's our order block up there, whatever you want to call it. This actual body of the candle is technically the zone, but I like to use the wicks, right? Anyway, as high as it goes, the higher you enter is pretty much the best risk to reward. That's all that matters. Like if you enter here, nothing wrong with that. You just got a bigger stop loss. Now, if you enter up here, you just got a smaller stop loss. That's all. There's nothing wrong with it, man. You know what I'm saying? As long as it doesn't break above, you're good. So boom, I marked off this zone, right? Then, so I'm like, okay, I put this low right here. So if you put this, if it breaks this low, which it did, it made this order block valid, which also made this block could be valid too. But this is the actual push that broke the structure, right? So this broke the structure, not this, right? So people might get confused and thinking this was the order block. So when they broke down, rejected, right? People probably thought sell right here, and that's where it rejected and then came down, faked them out, and then broke over, right? So broke over, came up, grabbed this zone. Did I trade it? No, I'm watching price at this point, though. I'm watching price at this point. I'm like, oh, that would have been a nasty sell. Let's see the stop loss on that guy. Okay, a 6-7 pip stop loss on average if you got any of this wick, right? You got to be ready for that to catch that wick, though. So 7 pip stop loss, beautiful trade, and it ends up going, let's say you target the low. Come on, 30 pips, bro. 7 pips, targeting 30 pips. Bro, that's beautiful all day. Risk to reward, nasty, right? I do that all day. Risk 700 to make 3,000 all day. So boom, price starts to pull back. Price starts to break, engulfing candle. Price starts pulling back on the lower time frame, right? Let's go look at it. Where was it at? Right here? No, right here. So price pulled back, then we get that engulfing candle I was talking about. That's the engulfing candle right here. Then price pulled back, and then tanked, right? So when this broke, this push broke the low. That became a tiny 1-minute chart order block, right? Right here. If you do that all the way across, click the button. Right? That is the order block. So price immediately broke this low, immediately pulled back into the order block, and then immediately tanked. So I'm like, that was another trade that I could have caught. So let's picture. You would have had let's just say right above the high, 5 pip stop loss. You target the low, 11 pips. That's 1 to 2 right there. Beautiful, right? Click it. So you're risking 500 to make 1,100. Beautiful. It'll end up going a little farther. Let's say you target the bottom of the zone. That's 14 pips. Got it? So beautiful. It ends up going 20 pips, 22 pips. Beautiful, right? So boom. I'm like, all right, dang, nabbit, we could have caught that trade. So I'm not crying. All I'm doing is now. So now I'm not really picturing a buy. I really wanted price to come up here and shoot out and give me a buy, right? Which it is kind of doing slowly, but I wanted it to be fast. A real block is going to do it fast. So I'm like, all right, this shit ain't real. So at this point, I'm not really thinking about no buy. I'm on the lower time frame looking for sales, right? So I deleted this buy. I'm not worrying about this, right? But I did mark up, let's look at it real quick, my 30-minute and my 30 and a 15-minute bigger time frame zones, right? So I was like, all right, if it's going to come here and go up, where would it go to the next zone if it goes down, right? If I were to sell it, where would be my take profit on the bigger picture? So I put this block right here on the 30-minute chart before it went up, right? 15-minute chart, same thing, right? So this is my now take profit too. So I was in this trade. I'm like, okay, price could definitely reach all the way down here, right? And get the second block before it goes up, maybe, right? So that was my potential second take profit. That's why you see 36 pips from here, right? So boom, I'm not thinking about buys no more. So I'm on the lower time frame. So after price did this nasty order block, respected it, broke down, and then boom, now I'm looking for where can price pull back to. I'm not really feeling this order block right here on some strong level. You always want to get the highest one before to get the best risk to reward. Because if I enter here, I'm gonna have some drawdowns. And if it comes back down, I only get 2 pips. I don't want that. So I want to get as high as I can for it to come down, right? So boom, we marked off this order block. So this last green candle before price shot down and made a new low right here is an order block. So I waited for price to shoot up. I let my team know. That's why I told them in the VIP trade room, get ready. We about to take a GBP USD sale. Get ready. And then boom, price got here. I said, all right, I'm selling it. I sold it. We was in profit, pulled back and profit at 10 pips. So we got plus 10 pips. I put my stop loss at entry. So at plus 10 pips right here, boom, I put my stop loss at entry, plus 10 pips. Then it pulled back. Then it came all the way back down. Let's see how many pips we were up. I remember seeing 1,300 at one point. So we were up, boom, 13.6 pips. So I was in 10 lots. I was up $1,300. We put our stop loss at entry. We put our take profit at the low. Then boom, stop loss got hit at entry. Cool. So I lost $70. So I should have put my stop loss a little lower so it can be break even. But cool, I lost $70 on that trade. I'm perfectly fine with that. Because if it melted, I would have made 2K, 2,200. But if it go back up, we lose nothing. $70. That's nothing, right? Less than 1 pip. So boom, now I have my second level. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. So boom, I'm like, all right, shit, if this ain't the level it's gonna break and go from, pull back, you always look up higher. What's the next level it can go to and drop from, right? So I went to the 15-minute chart. You see this green candle right here before it pushed down? I put this box around this green candle and went all the way over, right? Boom. So now that's what you see here. This is an order block right here on the 15-minute chart. So boom, right? And there's also an algorithm level in here. So when you learn the algorithm, go to my website, tradewithbruce.com, and learn the algorithm learning. That's why I'll teach you more advanced techniques and show you the actual levels that price go up and down to every single day, all day, every day, right? So this is also an algorithm level up in here. So we pulled back to this order block. I already sent it to my team. At this point, like right here, I sent it to my team. I said, all right, y'all, I'm willing to sell again. So after we broke even right here, I was willing to risk another 7 pips. Look at this. I risked 7 pips at this high, right? I risked 7 pips, and then price shot down. I entered. I let my team know right here, we're going to risk another 7 pips. Boom, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I said, all right, guys, I'm selling it. Fuck it, we're in. We're in. Boom, stop loss 7 pips. Price immediately shot. And when I entered, I told them, when we get plus 10 pips, guys, I'm going to put my stop loss at break even. So right here, plus 10 pips, I put my stop loss at break even. Boom, I'm at a break even risk-free trade. And then now price went all the way down, even lower. I think price went down. I got out at 16 pips right here. Price went down, 19 pips, pull back. It actually went straight to take profit at 22 pips. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. Straight to 22 pip take profit, right? So boom, beautiful price, lethal take profit. Do you see that take profit? Lethal, bro, lethal. Yo, I'm getting so lethal with this stuff, y'all. Like, it's getting crazy. Come on, let's do chart work. So boom, why did I take profit there? Because boom, guys, you have an order block right there on the 1 minute chart, and it broke structure. So when this push up, broke structure right here. That made this order block valid. So when I sell, it can either break and go lower, or it can reject here and go up. So what did it do? Reject here and go up. Either way, it's gonna go here. So that's why I set my take profit. And that's why I get out a little early, because that shit might can stop here and go up. So I got out like right here. Boom. I don't play, bro. Like, so people are like, oh, you could have made 2 more pips. Who cares? I made 16 though. You could have made another 2. You could have made another 4 pips. Who cares, bro? 16 pips is all I'm caring about. 10 pips is really all I'm caring about. Soon 10 pips is gonna be 10K and I'm gonna be out because I don't care. 1,000 a pip and I'm out. Right now I'm at 100 a pip. Are you kidding me? So that's how I made $1,600 today. Trading what? GBP USD only, baby. GBP USD only. All right, I'm gonna wrap this video up, man. Y'all subscribe to the channel for more videos. I'm gonna be breaking down my trades every single day. Let's get it. Go to the website, tradewithbruce.com. If you want live stream, subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, click pass, and click whatever. Click post notifications, so when I go live, you get the notification. I'm about to post this video right now. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's March 13th at 8:30. I'm gonna post this video like 1 p.m. Eastern today. Let's do it, y'all. Bruce Webb, the greatest. We're out.
I hope so.
Okay.